I'm Roxanne Moore, Registered Dietitian and Wellness Director with Sodexo. A fun way to better manage your food budget involves planting a garden. And no matter how big your yard, I guarantee you can grow some of your own fresh produce. People create gardens of all kinds. You can use containers for gardening, you can create a herb garden and plant it in your windowsill, you can create a raised bed, or you can even cultivate the traditional big backyard garden. For some people in colder climates, they might use a greenhouse to help plants grow. But when planting a garden, you should choose vegetables that you like best. Anything from tomatoes of various shapes and colors, also peppers of various colors, lettuce, spinach, broccoli, or even strawberries. Now I love having my container garden, and I pick fresh strawberries out in the morning and add them to my breakfast. And what I love even more, I'm not paying for them. Another thing that we do in my home is that my neighbors and I coordinate what we're going to grow so that we don't waste delicious produce and herbs. You see, sometimes your garden is so successful that you can't possibly eat the produce fast enough, and then it spoils. So avoid the waste by planting your garden with one or two other friends. Maybe you plant Roma tomatoes and they plant cherry tomatoes. Maybe you plant red peppers and they plant green peppers. Think of all the money you're going to save and think how delicious these vegetables are going to taste on your dinner plate. One thing though to remember about gardens is that they require plenty of watering. And you also need to be aware that you need to protect your garden from all the little pests and animals that also love the food that you're growing. You could lose your entire investment, so you got to keep these little critters out. So check out the internet for all sorts of gardening resources and grab a friend to start something new and fun. It's a healthy way to get active and to supplement your diet without spending a lot of extra money.